So this '04 Maxima came back with the AC not working, and I managed to capture it. Ended up having to replace this pressure switch, which I had checked earlier. I found the reading to the scan tool on the ECM was like 0.05. We'll have a look at that. So if we look at the data here, we can see I got the engine running. This data list does not show the status of the AC compressor clutch, but it shows the AC signal to the integrated power module. Here's the AC pressure sensor voltage. It's at 0.005. Now, the sad part is we know that's out of range. Anything less than 0.25 would typically be out of range. Why doesn't it set a code? So I had the car running and I had the AC on, and I'm scrolling through the list here. And I reached down and I tapped on that pressure sensor, and at one point I managed to get it to kick in right there. And the AC compressor kicked in. Now the car was cold when I did this. So, ordered up a pressure sensor. So there's where that pressure sensor sits. It's right on the side of the condenser, just below the pipes. You need a 22mm thin wall deep socket to remove it, but before you remove it, you have to evacuate the system because there is no Schrader valve in the fitting. It goes directly into that block on the condenser. So need to evacuate and recharge. So that's what we're doing right now, just waiting for this thing to it's been running for about 20 minutes now, and then we'll recharge it. So I thought I'd check the status of that pressure sensor. Even though the AC machine is drawing a vacuum on it now, I'm curious to see what the actual pressure reading is in voltage when there's 30 inches or 29.8 inches of vacuum in the system. And I think it was under engine data 1. There's 4 data lists that Snap-on is configured. Let's see if it's in this one. Let's see it there. There it is right there. Well, we had 0.005 before, now we got 0.015. But again, there's 30 inches of vacuum in the system, so we'll check it after it's recharged. So here's the capacity specification for the system, R134A, between 1.157 to 1.267 pounds of refrigerant. So we're going to put in 1.2, 1.25, and see what the pressure comes up to. So here you can see the system is refilling now, and the voltage is going to up to 1 volt because there's static pressure in the system. So the vehicle is running now, the air conditioning is on. Where's the AC status here? Must be on this side. There's air conditioning signal. Oh, that's start signal. Silly. Air conditioning signal. There we go. Get rid of this one. So it's on. AC system pressures are normal. And it's reading about 1.45. The compressor just cycled off. It's pretty cool here today. You really don't even need AC today. Probably need a heater. So we're going to call this one fixed.